This DIY build video is made in collaboration with MakersBox Innovations Private Limited. MakersBox is India's leading STEM education, content, and labs provider. If you also want to set up a lab, reach out to MakersBox Innovations Private Limited. Their contact details and link to their website is given in the description.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sufyan, and today we are back with an interesting build. So basically, streamers across the world, whether you are streaming on Twitch, whether you are streaming on YouTube, they use a device called StreamDeck. Now StreamDeck comes in different sizes, different shapes, and the most popular one is the one coming from Elgato. And Elgato makes this wonderful device which helps streamers across the world to switch all the scenes while streaming, if they want to show you the face cam, if they want to hide the face cam, if they want to mute the microphone. So when I tried to get my hands on one of the StreamDeck, I was just surprised by the pricing on it. Okay, and so while I was searching for an alternative to it, I came across an interesting project where somebody actually went ahead and built a StreamDeck. So stay tuned with us. In this video, we are going to tell you how to build your very own StreamDeck.
So I thought, why not build something with Arduino? Arduino is an open source platform that is used to build different kinds of solutions, hardware solutions, and everything else. So I came across this wonderful project by a person online in the Arduino community that says building a DIY stream deck using Arduino. So this basically puts in a 3D printed enclosure with a switchboard assembly that uses mechanical keyboards and programmed on a 5-volt Arduino Pro Micro. So after plugging in the keys in the faceplate, what I did was I soldered all the negative terminals together using a single wire and short them all together so that I would need only one header for the ground connection. Basically all the keys need to have a common ground with the Arduino board. To fulfill that purpose, what I did was first I soldered a single core wire with one of the keys and then simply joined all of them together. and with the positive terminals of each key I connected individual rainbow wire with DuPont female connectors so that it can be easily connected to the Arduino Pro Micro board. As you can see, it has already defined 8 buttons and we are building a StreamDeck with 8 keys. All I had to do was upload the code and then test the StreamDeck. Also, an LED pin was defined on pin number 17 so that each time a button is pressed, it glows. And Arduino Pro Micro is defined as Arduino Leonardo, so we'll have to select Arduino Leonardo to upload the code and we are good to go. I had to install the keypad library. I will leave the link to that in the description. Okay, to show break screen, what we are going to do is I'm going to assign OBS key 15 so it will reflect over there. To fix Arduino board inside the case, I am using a double-sided tape by 3M. You can use any kind of double-sided tape to hold the Arduino board in place so that it doesn't move while you are using it. Alright guys, so we are going to do a final test run for this now. So this button will start or stop the stream, so start stream. Yeah, we are ready to go online. Stop stream. Okay. Start recording. Stop recording. Okay, from the same button. Nice. This is starting soon. Intro screen. Face cam. Stream, face cam again, stream, be right back, break screen, ending screen, microphone mute, microphone unmute. It's ready guys.